No one saw this coming. Not Wall Street, not Detroit, not even Tesla. And yet, Toyota just detonated the entire EV industry overnight. Because what they unveiled isn't a prototype. It isn't a concept. It's the world's first real, road-ready solid-state battery. A battery that can drive over 1,200 miles on a single charge, and then recharge in less than 5 minutes. This isn't evolution. This is a revolution. And if Toyota pulls it off at scale, the entire energy map of the world will be redrawn. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll see exactly how Toyota just buried lithium, triggered a global panic, and opened the gates to an energy age no one thought possible until the 2040s. Here's how it happened. No countdown, no flashy live stream, no Elon-style show. Just a quiet, closed-door summit in Toyota City. Top executives, a few stunned investors, and a handful of engineers. And then the bombshell. Solid-state wasn't a dream. It wasn't someday. It was done. Tested for 18+ months. Proven in the real world. Smashing every single EV benchmark that used to look impossible. 1,200 miles per charge. Recharge in under 5 minutes. Cool under stress. Safe even when punctured. Tokyo to Fukuoka without stopping once. For decades, EVs were trapped inside lithium's cage. Yes, lithium-ion was powerful, but it came with compromises. Backhand index pointing right, range anxiety. Backhand index pointing right, slow charging. Backhand index pointing right, fire risks. Backhand index pointing right, and dependence on unstable mining politics. The question was never if someone would escape. It was always who. And no one thought the answer would be Toyota, because this wasn't supposed to happen until the 2040s. But Toyota just dragged the future into the present at scale. One leaked slide from that meeting said it all in bold letters. Beyond lithium. Here's why this changes everything. Toyota's secret weapon is a ceramic-polymer electrolyte. No liquid, no flammable chemicals. Stable in extreme heat and brutal cold. Energy density skyrockets from 250 to 450 Wh/kg. That means batteries are lighter, smaller, and stronger. 30% less weight, 15% less volume, and rigid enough to serve as part of the car's chassis. That's not just a battery, that's armor. Inside is an even bigger breakthrough, a graphene-infused anode. No dendrites, no silent killers of battery life. Result? Over 1 million miles of lifespan with less than 8% loss. Try wrapping your head around that. A car that outlives the engine of your grandparents' pickup truck. And then comes the killer feature, charging. Meet Toyota's Hypercharge A55, a 2.22 megawatt system that takes you from empty to full in under 5 minutes, faster than pouring a cup of tea. But here's the genius. No grid meltdown. Each station has its own solid-state storage banks. They sip power slowly from the grid, then unleash it instantly when you plug in. So instead of draining the grid, they reinforce it. Safety Fortress, 830. Now let's talk safety. These cells laugh at extremes. From -30 Celsius to +90. Puncture 1. Nothing. Crash 1. It absorbs energy instead of igniting. Heat spread in fire simulations was cut by 90%. This isn't just safe. It's the safest battery ever engineered for a car. Toyota didn't build a battery. They built an energy fortress. Here's the part the public never saw. 50 prototype vehicles are already roaming the world. Japan, North America, Europe, even the icy backroads of Hokkaido. Not flashy prototypes, not PR toys, but everyday production cars, disguised under NDAs. And after months of abuse, desert heat, rapid-fire charging, stop-and-go torture, the average result was staggering. Backhand index pointing right, 958 miles per charge. Real-world driving. And Toyota isn't hiding. Early next year, those numbers go public. If they hold, the entire EV market collapses into a new order. Beyond cars. But this isn't just about cars. Toyota didn't pioneer hybrids to build better sedans. They did it to reshape how the world consumes energy. And now that vision is scaling. By 2026, Toyota's solid-state cells will power homes, microgrids, and even entire villages. Backhand index pointing right solar-powered homes running 2 full days off one charge. Backhand index pointing right remote villages going completely off-grid. Backhand index pointing right industrial megapacks lasting decades. And all of it runs on the same solid-state tech now powering Toyota's next generation of vehicles. And here's the kicker: zero cobalt, zero nickel, less than 5% lithium, no Congo mines, no Indonesian nickel, no rare earth dependence. The electrolyte is non-toxic and production-ready. And Toyota can build it on existing lines, no billion-dollar retooling. By 2027, Toyota will make 80% of all solid-state components in-house. Translation: the most secure, scalable battery supply chain on Earth. Mark this date. By 2026, Toyota will release the X1, the first 100% solid-state production vehicle. 1,200 miles per charge, 5-minute recharge, under $30,000, 28% lighter than the RAV4, stronger, stiffer, safer. Toyota believes it will outsell even the Corolla, the best-selling car in history. And if they're right, it will end the lithium era overnight. In just 3 trading days, $46 billion vanished from legacy EV and battery valuations. Analysts called it not competition, but consolidation. Factories designed for lithium now look like stranded assets. Startups chasing exotic chemistries are bleeding out, and rivals are already lining up, offering billions to license Toyota's electrolyte patents. But Toyota's own words were simpler. Backhand index pointing right, we didn't improve the car. We ended the compromise. So here's the truth. Whoever owns the battery owns the future. And right now, Toyota isn't just in the race. They're running alone. The lithium age is over. The solid-state age has begun. If you believe this breakthrough will rewrite the future of cars, homes, and even entire nations, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this video before the industry catches up. Because make no mistake, the future just arrived early, and Toyota is already driving it.